What is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today I'm going to be bringing you the brand new Supreme Droplist overview video. As always, we're going to be going over the new one. May 14th, this is week 12, and we're going to be starting from the bottom. Now I'm doing it a little different. I'm sitting down rather than standing up, so enjoy the new view. We're going to start off with the most worst voted, and it's these nail shorts right here. I mean, you know, not much to be said about them. They're alright. I don't have retail on any of this, so I won't be putting retail on the screen. I don't want to steer you guys wrong, so kind of just use your own head on it. Most of them are what you probably think they would be. And then we got this text ringer tee. I mean, this tee's not bad. I think the graphic is pretty cool and it could be done a little different, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Right after that, we got these utility belted pants. I think these are pretty fire. That black obviously is going to go the quickest. The yellow is pretty cool, and then that camo will probably move pretty fast. But still, one of the worst voted for this week, so I don't know. Then we got this polo. Nothing much to be said about it. Yeah, it's just a polo. And then we got this utility jacket. These utility jackets are pretty fire in my opinion. That desert camo goes hard. That kind of blackish one goes hard as well. Even the purple-ish one goes hard. They all go pretty hard. And then we got this Daniel Johnston embroidered work jacket right here. Now, I mean, this is a full embroidery to my knowledge, so that is pretty fire. That is a lot of embroidery, a lot of colors, and a lot of just texture to even have full embroidery. Will I buy it? Probably not, because I don't really wear the work jackets too much like that, but I know some people do. That is a pretty fire piece. They got like some collab stuff dropping this week, so there's a lot of that. And then we got these space caps. Now for me, these are going to be a pass. I do think the concept is pretty fire. The colors are pretty fire, but it's just not for me. And then we got these Daniel Johnston Supreme embroidered work pants. Now there's a design on the front and one on the back. They're alright. I think they could have done with just one design rather than doing both of them on the same piece, but it is whatever. Now here's something I really like, and it's the gloves. I always think Supreme work gloves are pretty cool. I might try and snag a pair for the personal collection because it's always good just to have an extra pair of work gloves. And it's the nail graphic, so it goes along with the shorts if you really wanted to have both, I guess, to match for some reason. If not, then the gloves are whatever for you. And we got this oversized long sleeve top, and it's pretty fire to be honest. I mean, just blank front, and then you got Supreme on the back. I think their over dyed work is always pretty good. It just looks a little kind of like, it gives that vintage feel to it almost. And then we got the Daniel Johnston Rayon short sleeve shirt. Again, not bad. I mean, it's pretty cool. There's a lot of graphics on it, but it's not for me. And then we got a Daniel Johnston Kill 'Em All tee. And again, just another just simple graphic t-shirt for Supreme. Not bad, not bad. Let me know what you guys think about it. And then we got the Daniel Johnston plaid shirts. Now I do think these are kind of fire if there's no back print, which I don't think there is because they would have showed it. It does look pretty fire. It says I know Supreme, and it's a picture of that graphic that they have going on. Again, I don't think it's too bad. I would definitely pick up like that kind of darker blue one over the red one if I had to pick. I might not, probably won't for the retail price, but I mean it's still a good pickup nonetheless if you did plan on getting it. And then we got another Daniel Johnston tee. Again, just another t-shirt for the collection. They got all these crazy colorways going on. I think it's kind of fire. They got a couple ones that Supreme normally doesn't do too much, so that's not too bad. And then we got a casual hat right here, and for me, these are just a solid pass. I don't know anyone that ever wears these. I don't know anyone who is just like, yes, I need to buy this hat. If you like it, go for it. I mean, it's one of the top 6 most voted items this week. Now, it's saying full list not out yet. This is just based off of everything that is out currently right now at the time of the video. If anything does happen, I will update you guys while I'm editing the video or something like that. And then we got the Daniel Johnston hooded sweatshirts. Now, I honestly think these are pretty fire. That blue colorway goes hard. That pinkish colorway goes hard. They all go hard. The black one. The graphic is kind of like whatever to me. It's one of those like I could live without it, but I just think the colors are really nice and I would go for it if I had an extra like $150 to probably drop on the hoodie because that's probably going to be the price of it. And then we got these Daniel Johnston beanies. These are pretty fire because these are some colors I don't normally see Supreme doing with that like pink and then that like baby blue almost turquoise kind of deal going on. It looks to be embroidered, so it's an embroidered beanie. But those beanies do fit really tight, so I don't really like them too much. I kind of like the loose gauge ones, or even they have some with the balls on the head. Those are always the best ones to go for because they're all loose, they're not like tighter fit. And And then we got the Daniel Johnson Frog t-shirt, which is the graphic that's on the flannel that I was talking about that I think is pretty fire. Again, these colors go crazy. Supreme normally doesn't do these colors, so I would definitely try to pick up one of those if I wasn't going to pick one at all. And then we got the #1 most voted item, which is what I'm probably going to go for depending on the retail price, and it is the long chair. And this Supreme long chair goes pretty hard, to be honest. Obviously, it's just those red pieces with Supreme printed on it, but it's still fire nonetheless. It is something different, and you could definitely pop this out. If I copped it, it would probably be for the personal, just to like kind of have for the summer, but that is definitely the most voted item with 9,108 upvotes and then 647 downvotes. Not too bad if you ask me. But nonetheless, let me know what you guys think of this Droplist. The Droplist is pretty fire. That accessory is pretty nice, that chair. The collab is alright, and then you got a couple mixed lookbook items in there. But let me know what you guys think down below. It's not too bad of a week. You got some resale, you got some personals, but it is all up to you at the end of the day. As always, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. This has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace.